As if one wasn't enough, I officially cloned myself using AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it too. Okay, let me give you a breakdown of the video. The tool I use to create my own avatar is HeyGen, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it too. Also going to show you some options, what else you can do with HeyGen, the cool stuff you want to know. Plus, I will give you a quick look into Captions, a similar tool that is close to HeyGen. And as a bonus, I will share an overview of some of the different AI video generation tools you might want to check out. All right, let's get started. All right, so you sign up for HeyGen and go to avatars to create your own avatar. The process is very well explained. You can create based on a video. I think it's the best one in my opinion. You can listen to the instructions here. It basically has a summary, what is recommended. So a good thing to have would be 2 to 5 minutes of video recording of yourself directly looking at the camera with some good lighting, and preferably in a good voice quality. So I had some YouTube videos I uploaded here. You can also record via webcam or via your phone. I just uploaded an old video, and then it requires you to actually read through some stuff to give consent, because it's such a personal thing. I think they don't want others to create avatars of other random people. So you actually have to read this via your webcam, saying that you actually give permission to create your own AI avatar. And this takes like a few minutes. I handanazgachan, blah blah blah. We're skipping this part so you don't copy me. I have enough avatars. Please don't create my own avatar. So this was like one of the previous videos. It wasn't 2 minutes long. It didn't get accepted. But then I uploaded another thing. It was fine. Then after the upload is done, you can name your avatar. This is Handan V1, my first avatar. And that's it. You just wait a little bit after that and your avatar is ready, waiting for you. So after the creation is done, you can generate your own videos by just giving some scripts, and it will resemble your voice. It wouldn't be like a computer generated voice. They also do some voice recognition stuff and like getting your voice range in the background with AI. So after your avatar is ready, it usually takes a little while. You can do some other stuff in the meantime and write a script. I actually did that for my previous video. You can check it out if you want. You can pick between different looks, and once you upload it, you hit generate and then wait for a bit. That's it. Super simple. The cool thing about it is that you can still create your own avatar, but you will get like the HeyGen watermark if you're using the free version. For YouTube video purposes, I actually deleted the watermark, so I paid 1 month's subscription for you guys just to make a better video. Optionally, you can just have the HeyGen on the corner if you don't want to pay. What else you can do with HeyGen? So for your own avatar, you can actually add up to 30 different looks. So you can change your clothes, you can be standing up, you can be in a different background, you can just do whatever with your avatar basically. But if you don't want to have your avatar, which is totally understandable for a lot of people, you can pick public avatars from the library. I don't know if I'm public, I'm not sure. I don't think I am, but we'll see. So for example, you can pick another avatar with many different looks. I think the first one has the most looks. Let's go to Annie and see which type of looks she has. She has like a different background, sitting, standing up. This is casual chatting. And like you can see a lot of different options, which is pretty cool. And you can do also like just AI voice generation. You don't also have to do the video. You can add your brand asset, font style, that type of stuff. If you want to create different type of videos with different backgrounds, you can make some slides, training videos with HeyGen. This is pretty cool. And other than that, what I really like is the integrations. So you can actually integrate HeyGen with ChatGPT or HubSpot, a CRM tool, or what really cool here, this is really cool, Zapier or Make. So you can basically create AI-based workflows to create your videos while you are asleep. This is nuts. So this is actually one of the things I'm exploring at the moment. If you're curious about AI automations and creating different types of videos while you're asleep, let me know. I want to do a few stuff around that as well. Oh, before I forget, you can also pick different languages. It's not limited to English. It has multiple languages. So you could be speaking in different languages, including French or Espanol or Italiano, or like also in Turkçe. Türkçe konuşabilirsiniz. So I only speak 4 languages, but my avatar speaks a lot more. I'm gonna write it down here or here somewhere. Other AI tools. So what I also have is captions. Let me show you around a little bit. I have my AI twin here. This is me again. But captions has a little bit limited options around this. It's mostly like for social media purposes. Caption has me in vertical, not in the horizontal version. Maybe they have it, I haven't checked it out, but this is my look there. And what's really cool about captions is that they have Social Studio on autopilot. So you can add your TikTok and LinkedIn and then just basically let it post on your behalf. It even generates the scripts. It has a direct automation. You don't have to worry about any automation tools. You can just post it there. So that's like something I really enjoyed using. We tested out with our startup, HiParley. And yeah, it didn't have the instructions we were looking for, but I didn't make too much adjustments in the script, so it was totally AI generated. It's if you give a little bit of more information and input and check the scripts, I think it's very, very useful and low effort to promote your brand on social media. All right, that was the tools. I'm going to also share an overview what you can use in different areas for AI-based video generation. And yeah, this is like an overview. I'm not gonna go in depth. If you want me to try any other AI video generation tool, let me know in the comments below. What are you using at the moment? Are you using anything? Are you interested in AI automations for content creation? Let me know, and subscribe to the channel to learn more about how you can leverage AI in multiple aspects in your life. See you next time. Take care. Bye.